Hi guys, I'm live and I'm just running late as usual. Poor connection. Right, so I'm running a little bit late. I'm going to pop you on my thing here. Really disorganised, guys, because that's just how I am. I like to do things last minute. Add person. Rachel Finch. Let's see if this gal joins. Very excited, guys, to do this with you today. I'm doing well, it's not your traditional niçoise because I don't have all of the ingredients. Hello, everybody. Alicia, Cassie, Trish. Hi, Camellia. You dag, what are you doing? You having a little smoko out the back? You're having a durry, aren't you, Dal? I know it. And a coffee. That's what you're doing. This is my kitchen, everybody. Welcome to it. Rachel, you going to join or what? You're 1 minute late. Invite. Have I invited her? Why is she unable to join? Sorry, guys. What the hell? Okay, Rach, send me a request. Oh, no, you can't do that. Accept. Yeah, I know, but...
What's going on?
I tried.
Oh my gosh. What did you do last night?
Oh, my God. So I went to the tennis.
Yeah.
Here we are. Look, I'm supposed to be doing an 8-week challenge, right? Which is going well, and I'm supposed to be eating better, but I'm so hungover, I'm drinking this, and you would just be so ashamed.
Better not be sponsored.
It's definitely not, and it's definitely not a part of my new program.
Oh my gosh. So what are you, week 2, Ash?
Yeah, week 2 of the challenge.
Yep. And tell us, so getting drunk last night, that wasn't a part of it, but other than that, you've been quite successful.
Yeah, I feel like I can't deprive myself of these things, and getting drunk is not something I do often.
Yeah.
I didn't get drunk, I got tipsy.
Tipsy. That's okay. That doesn't count. It's 4 drinks versus 8. It's fine.
Yeah. So anyway, it's great to be back here again. Thank you all for joining. What have we got? Holy shit, we've got 875 eyes on us right now.
Well, we're testing the Thursday time slot, Ash.
Yeah. Oh, we couldn't believe last time how popular we were. So we don't want to spend too much of your lunch break with this Instagram live. So do you want to get straight to it?
Let's get to it. So you told me you're on some health kick and you're in week 2. And so we thought, let's do a salad. I've got this epic kale Caesar salad that I do. Mind you, all week I've been prepared with like all the ingredients. I've got the anchovies, I've got the parmesan, blah, blah, blah. And at 10 a.m. this morning, I opened the fridge and I was like, where's the friggin' kale? I forgot